Life is a journey shaped by two key elements, our genes and our experiences. Think of our genes as the initial path laid out in a vast forest. This path, influenced by our genetic makeup, guides us from the start. But it's the environments we encounter and the choices we make that truly define our journey. This dynamic between our innate qualities and our life experiences is the essence of the nature versus nurture debate. As we travel this landscape, the environments we encounter have profound effects. A seed, our genetic potential, might fall on fertile soil or rocky ground. In fertile soil with ample sunlight and water, it flourishes, reaching heights unimagined. In contrast, on rocky ground, that same seed struggles, its inherent potential stunted. This is where nurture profoundly influences the course set by nature. For instance, studies of twins, especially identical twins, have provided insights into the nature aspect. Despite different upbringings, identical twins often exhibit remarkable similarities in personality, preferences, and behavior, underscoring the role of genetics. These instances highlight how, in certain aspects, our nature can strongly influence who we become. Taking the example of intelligence, it's like a trek through a mountain range. Genes provide the starting point, the base of the mountain. Education, experiences, and encouragement are the paths up the mountain. Without these paths, the journey to the peak, the full realization of intellectual potential, remains elusive. Personality traits, such as empathy or aggression, are similarly influenced. Research into the brains of individuals with psychopathic tendencies, for instance, shows distinct neurological patterns. These findings suggest a strong genetic component in the development of such traits, although environmental factors also play a significant role. Imagine these traits as rivers flowing through our landscape. A river's course is initially set by the terrain, our genetic tendencies. But as it flows, the surrounding environment can alter its path. A nurturing environment can redirect an aggressive tendency towards more constructive outlets, just as a harsh environment can turn a gentle stream into a raging torrent. The study of psychopathy highlights this interplay even more. Here, the genetic predisposition is like a river with a strong current. Environmental factors, family, social experiences, coping mechanisms are the banks of the river. They can contain and direct the flow, preventing it from causing destruction. Nature and nurture in human development are like a climber and the mountain. The mountain's shape, nature, presents the challenges and paths, while the climber's skill and choices, nurture, determine the route and success of the ascent. Both elements are essential. One cannot exist without the other in this journey. Understanding the intricate dance of nature and nurture helps us appreciate the uniqueness of each individual. Our genetic predispositions are not our destinies. They are starting points on a journey rich with possibilities. Our environments, the choices we make, and the experiences we have all contribute to the tapestry of our being. In the end, what matters most is not which aspect is more dominant, but how they interact and combine to create the unique individuals we are. Our lives are indeed works of art, continuously evolving, influenced by both our internal nature and the external nurture we experience.